All right, boys, I'm about to put you on how to go about shopping for the right amount of food so that you can make your fucking cutting, your deficit, and your protein goals super easy. And so you don't want to focus on healthy or longevity. You don't want to get Brussels sprouts and shit. You want to focus on high protein foods and low calorie foods, and preferably both. So I would honestly recommend, whether you're in college, whether you're working a job and you got your own place, or you're at your mom's house, wherever the fuck, you need to get foods that are like microwavable or air fryer, easy to go, protein heavy, lower on calories. Get in the habit of start looking at the back of labels. It's not that hard. You just start figuring out, oh shit, if I substitute these chicken wings that have 16 grams of protein to these ones that have fucking 8, it's a big difference. Next step, I would make sure to get foods that you enjoy. So if you love pizza rolls, get pizza rolls. If you love cereal, get cereal. Always eat some stuff that you actually enjoy so the cut doesn't feel fucking dreadful. And then the last thing is I would just make sure to really focus on getting alternatives. So I would get alternatives, like low calorie alternatives. So like any sauces, condiments, really anything basically, but most things like sauces, condiments, that shit adds up, bro. Especially if you're one of those guys like me who loves food, who loves dipping their shit in ranch. Just get the low calorie alternative, bro. I promise you it tastes the exact same and it's not gonna cost you. Honestly, that's all I got for today, but I love you guys and I'll be posting daily, so let's get it.